Juggling, struggling, my mind kinda puzzling. Nothing not going and depression keep bubbling. Hustling and bustling, it seems like that's nothing. I now make no money, should I really try smuggling? Ratchet me feel haunted, and I made them come fast with. Should I be like Christopher Cook and become the most wanted? Thinking seems thinking, them wondering if me drinking. No, some sober, perhaps adjust the system. I can't take it no longer. Sufferation I get stronger. The system makes me wonder if I'm really going under. 'Cause I can't take this no longer. Sufferation I get stronger. The system makes me wonder if I'm really going under. You ever hungry for 3 nights, your belly not feel right, heart of sufferation a beat like steel pipe, fed up now, mama not feel right, want some money but the boss not deal right. Face look so stressed, you ask I'm so vexed, youths them homeless, where is the progress? One thing me I go talk on this if you notice, said the real revolution, it not really explode yet. I can't take it no longer. Sufferation I get stronger. The system left me a wonder if I'm really going under. It's so obvious we now get proper policing because crime wouldn't get out on and shot a beats award. System set up completely bizarre. This politics quick need to resolve, car the youth them out the road and move really retard. Them have some rotted guns rip your pieces apart. Police want fight crime and need for call crime stop it now stop car the system of fraud.